Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on VIVO V29 Lite. To change the lock screen wallpaper, go to settings, then in settings go to lock screen and wallpaper, and now you can select a wallpaper from here. You can click on download more, or if you want to set your photo as a wallpaper, click on this button up here and now select the picture you want to set. I'm gonna set this one. Now you can select whether you want to apply it as home screen wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, or both. I'm gonna apply it as just lock screen wallpaper, then crop it. I'm gonna crop it like that, then click here to apply. And now you can see that the home screen is unchanged, but the lock screen is this new wallpaper. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.